So in this video, in this tutorial, I will show you how our chat and voice widgets will look like and how it works, and how you can interact with the chat and voice conversation through that widget. Overview of the widget. So basically our call agent AI offer a voice and chat widget, which you can add on any website and add a powered AI chat and voice widget through which your user can instantly interact and access the chat and voice conversation to the assistant that you build on our call agent AI. So you do not need any coding experience, and by just a few clicks you can integrate our voice and chat widget on your website. Live example setup. So let me show you how it looks like. Like right now I have integrated that on one of our applications. Here you can see this is an automated workflow website, and on this website we have integrated our widget. So our widget has 4 positioning options: left bottom, right top, and left top. So right now we have it on our right bottom. So here's the widget. Here you can see the design, and when you click it, it will pop up and say, do you want a chat conversation or do you want to call with your assistant? And if I select the chat conversation, our chat board will open where you can make a conversation and ask any question regarding your business or anything to your assistant. So you can see here's the output of that question, and you can ask any question. You can do real-time booking through your chat and call through the widget, and you can also send SMS. All our features that are there in our college and AI will work on this widget, and you can connect any system to this widget with a few simple steps. I will show you how to set up this widget on your web application and how to integrate and link that. I will show that in a further tutorial. This tutorial is just to show you how it looks and how it works. Let me also start our voice conversation, a voice call, and make some conversation with the assistant to show you how it works and how it looks like.
Hi, I'm the Automate Workflow AI Assistant. What kind of process or workflow are you looking to improve?
So can you tell me briefly about what services you provide and how can they help me?
Automate Workflow is a solutions and automation company that designs and builds custom automation systems for businesses. We specialize in AI-powered solutions, workflow automation, system integrations, and custom internal tools. Our services can help by automating manual workflows, integrating disconnected tools and systems, and building custom software tailored to your needs. For instance, we have platforms like MyLobby, an automated visitor and employee management system, and Call Agent AI.
Can you tell me if you can book a demo for me?
I can help with that. Let me check if you have any existing appointments. Just a moment.